Hi there friends! In this video I will be showing you how to take images from the internet and cut them using your Cricut. This only works for the newer Cricut machines, and I'm also going to be using an iPad to make some of this work a lot easier. So with that, let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up your favorite search engine and type in the design you want to cut. I'm going to be cutting a mandala to decorate my Cricut, so I'm going to look for a nice print design with good resolution so when I save the image, it'll come out clear in Design Space. I screenshotted the design I wanted and saved it to my photos. This should also only be used for personal use, as it may be illegal to sell products with licensed images. Because this is a screenshot, I also had to crop the image to make sure that the image was just the image itself and not the extra search engine information. Once you have your design saved to your photos, let's go ahead and open up the Design Space. Once it's open, go ahead and select New Project and look down below in the toolbar because we are going to be uploading an image. You can browse for your files if you have them saved elsewhere. However, for myself, I clicked on the Select from Photo Library to upload my image. Now, go ahead and select the photo you want to be cut in Design Space. We'll open up to this Image Edit space. Here we are going to remove all the white space, so all that's left is the design. To do this, click on Remove at the bottom and then start selecting the spots you want to remove. The removed space will be displayed in the top right corner, and remove until you cut to your desired image. You can also most definitely do this with a desktop or laptop computer. However, whenever you do move the imagery from the Design Space, it may take longer as you will have to navigate it with your mouse. Once your design looks good, click on the Next at the top and name your image. We want to cut, so click on the Cut Image. It will ask you to select what you want to insert into your project, so click on your design and you can scale it according to how big or how small you want it to be. When you are ready, go ahead and click Make It. And now you're ready to cut. If you're using an iPad, make sure your Bluetooth is connected to your Cricut machine before trying to select an accessory. It will not let you move forward until your Bluetooth is connected. Then Design Space will ask you to select your materials, load your mat, and begin cutting. It's that easy. Once the image is done cutting, go ahead and carefully weed your vinyl as you normally would. For this, I was using premium black vinyl. Once you are done weeding, let's take some transfer tape and transfer it onto my Cricut. I placed the sides and ta-da! I have a newly decorated Cricut. This image trick is so much fun and it's so easy, and it's great for projects around the house, on canvases, gifts, and so much more. Again, please be aware that it may be illegal to sell products with licensed images. I hope you learned something from today's video, and if you liked this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!